First of all, these are the things that we need. Cutter, cable stripper, punch down tool, easy ring type cable marker, and 24 port patch panel. Let me show you what the patch panels look like. This is a 24 port patch panel. As you can see, there are 24 ports in this device. At the back of the patch panel, you will see that there's a numbers, 6 numbers, meaning that there are 6 ports in one patch. So we have 6 ports, we have another 6, total of 12, another 6 will be 18, another 6, so we have a 24 port patch panel. As you can see, there are some colors at the back of the patch panel, meaning that this will be our color coding for B standard. So we are going to use B standard rather than A. Inside the box, you will find something like this. This is what you call a termination manager. This serves as a protection of the wires that will be inserted here in the patch panel, and it will hold together so you will not be able to take it out unless you unclip the termination. As you can see, the clip is this one. The clip. So we'll be using this one in one cable. Inside the box, you will see also a paper guide. If we are going to use the standard A color coding, what we're going to do is just to put it in front. Like that, if we are going to use the A standard, but since we are using the B standard, we don't need to put this paper inside the patch panel. Next will be the metal rod. This is the metal rod. This will be placed at the back of the patch panel. This will serve as a cable guide so the cable will be organized. Next will be the plastic tie wrap. After putting the cables in the cable manager, you will put the cable tie to hold the cables. So now that we all know what contains the box, we are going to learn the steps on dealing with this 24 port patch panel.